comes to my mind is about the ice because in Antarctica, their climate is so cold and they have polar bears.
First thing that comes to my mind when I hear Antarctica, Antarctica is a continent where there is no people who can live because the temperature is too cold. Animals that can live in Antarctica may be polar bears, but except polar bears, there are no animals who can live because just like what I've said a while ago, the temperature is too cold.
Zebra, leon, tapos, may usaan. May monkey rin dun.
Shut up.
Discover the wildlife of Antarctica. This is Antarctica, the last place on Earth, the last continent discovered by the explorers, the last place charted, the last to be inhabited. Even the wildlife here seems to be uncertain whether to stay. There is no creature in Antarctica which cannot fly or swim away. Yet, this special place draws Jerome and Sally Pansy, explorers and naturalists from Falkland Islands. They sail 100 miles south of the fame of the Antarctic Peninsula, where thousands of creatures live here. Other expeditions come with millions of dollars and supported by their government, but Pansies are on their own. They have a small yacht with 3 sons. It's December, high summer in the Antarctic. Some days can get warm as high as 14 degrees Celsius, but the ice has never been distant here. The Pansies use their boat as research vessel for home and to search for penguins along the peninsula. Their goal is to survey the size of the colonies, that is to count these identical birds. Sally, the biologist, believes this may be one of the largest colonies that gym-struck penguins in the peninsula.
You can do it rough if you want to do it properly though. You've got to map out the area that the colony is occupying and then work out the average density of the colony.
That perhaps some 40,000 pairs of birds.
In the depths of ocean, something starves. humpback whales. They have traveled over 5,000 miles to reach these waters. The whales are harvesting krill, shrimp-like creatures that begin to swarm here soon as the ice freezes. Diving into the heart of the swarm, teams of whales spiral around each other in close coordination. Now, they turn blasting air from their blowholes and ascend towards their prey. The krill become concentrated as the spilling bubbles draw in. The team of whale work around the clock, for the boom is short-lived. Summer is already fading, and the whales will soon to be forced to go north as winter returns. The sun influence starts to diminish as the ocean starts to freeze. The great seasonal change on our planet is on its way. The ice freezes at an extraordinary rate, advancing 2.5 miles a day. In a matter of weeks, the continent effectively doubled in size. The life flee from Antarctica.